Hey folks, wanted to provide a quick update so you can see we're midway through winter and you can see the difference between what's been wrapped and what hasn't been wrapped. So here's one that has been wrapped. If you look at it, you can see that it still is quite a bit green in there, which that's great to see. When you look at these others, you can see, I mean, this is all dead inside there. There's really nothing alive. When I get down to there, starts to firm up a little bit, but quite a bit of difference. And the bigger one, still pretty good inside, but on the outside, you can see that it's pretty soft. We've got a little bit of growth that's happened. It's been a pretty mild winter. You look at the one in the back there, you can see there's actually about 6 inches of growth that's happened, although some of that's died off because of cold. And a few of these, even though I tied them loose, they've popped out the top, and this one's about to pop out here. So at this point, I'm not going to do anything about that. I'll just let it go, and we will adjust potentially if it gets really cold again. Still need to trim this bamboo back. That's on the list to do before we get much further into springtime. Overall, the ones that are wrapped are doing better than the ones that aren't wrapped, and you can see that what's wrapped is still mostly green. What's unwrapped is all brown on the outside. Some of it's rotten all the way through. So that's it. Just wanted to provide that quick update, and we will talk to you soon.